got pure from Desto.
I just got pure from Desto. Smoking that bloom in that Metro. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, let's do it.
I'm talking to the pussy, you know I speak that fluent.
I've been spreading my swag, I'm spreading my influence.
Givenchy on my coat, don't know why I do it.
Shit, there you go.
Shit, I'm on mail roll.
Shit, these bullets, these strikers, these are not shell toes.
She hop on the dick, just like a pogo.
I cannot cuff up a daddy, that is a no-no. Pull out that dope and I roll it. I'm from the fuck on your slut, yeah, I know it.
Shit, I pull out that dope and I roll it. I'm in that lay down, I'm feeling like Kobe.
I post two photos like Kobe, I'm knowing that none of these niggas can hold me.
I'm knowing these niggas can't hold me, I'm knowing these niggas can't hold me.
I'm waking up every day, putting shit on.
I'm waking up, putting shit on. I fuck that hoe every day like I do porn.
Yeah, little bitch, I'm a star, yeah, since I was born.
Damn, I got too many vibes, can't pick from torn.
I got so goddamn rich, I'm trying to go fuck on the ashes.
My bitch so goddamn thick, I'm grabbing on all of her asses.
I just woke up in the pit, remember I was sleep on a mattress.
You play with my goddamn brother, we bring ass all out some ashes.
I just hopped out of the Blakk Truck. I just hopped out of the Blakk Truck.
I just hopped out of that Blakk Truck. I just hopped out of that Blakk Truck.
Patrick, you rolling them pack up.
I just got pure from Desto.
I just got pure from Desto. Smoking that bloom in that Metro. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, let's do it.
I'm talking to the pussy, you know I speak that fluent.
I've been spreading my swag, I'm spreading my influence.
Givenchy on my coat, don't know why I do it.
Why I say about the